Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the immersive reader function on the office.com website for the document that you have created. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and then select a Word document or template that you would like to use. After creating and customizing your document, you should tap on this View button at the top of the screen below the search bar. So tap on it, and here you can find this immersive reader button, so tap on it. And then you will be directed to this page where you can tap on this play button down below to start the immersive reader feature. Your name. Instructor name. Tap on the pause button if you would like to stop it, and you can also set the voice settings, so the speed can be set on this slide as you can see, and you can set the gender of the reader, female or male voice. You can also set the text preferences, so the text size can be set on this slide, as well as the font and the themes. If you want to, you can also set grammar options and reading preferences in terms of line focus, picture dictionary, or you can also translate it by choosing a language. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.